Let's get ready! In this section, we will explain the features and what preparation is required, including installation and settings method. First, let's prepare the software that creates characters. The first is Make Human, the second is Manuel Bastioni Lab, and the third is Vroid. When using Make Human and Vroid, other software is also required. For Make Human, the Make Human Exchange, and for Vroid, the VRM importer is also required. Next, prepare Blender version 2.79. After importing a character into Blender, prepare Make Walk, Kneemate, and Kneemate tools. Make Walk is a software that applies BVH to a character. Kneemate and Kneemate tools are softwares for real-time motion capture. Next, prepare second-generation Kinect for Windows. This is a camera that reads the human movements. Finally, prepare Pastel Action. This is used to control character motion. Open Explorer. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in Download directory. Click Pastel Action once to select, then right-click. Decompress to desktop. Once decompression is completed, go back to desktop. Click Decompressed Pastel Action once to select, then right-click. Click Copy. Open Explorer and look for Blender. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in local directory. Double-click Program Files. Double-click Blender Foundation. Double-click Blender. Double-click 2.79. Double-click Scripts. Click Add-ons once to select, then right-click. Click Paste. Now Pastel Action is added. Let's double-click Add-ons folder to verify. Scroll down. Here it is. Now we verified that Pastel Action is added. First, open the website of Make Human. Select Download of version 1.1.1. Click the large Download button. There are Windows version and Mac version. If you use Windows, select this one. Push Save button and wait until download is finished. Once download is complete, go back to the desktop. Open Explorer. Usually, there's a zip file downloaded to the download directory. Right-click and decompress to desktop. Once the decompression is done, go back again to the desktop. Make Human is now decompressed, so double-click to open. Scroll down through the files and double-click the Make Human program file. Make Human will start. Open the website of Manuel Bastioni Lab. Click Download. The version that supports Pastel Action is 1.5.0, so download 1.5.0. Click Save. Once download is completed, go back to the desktop. Open Explorer. Though it may differ by cases, often it's downloaded to the download directory. Right-click. Decompress to desktop. Once decompression is completed, go back to desktop. Click Manuel Bastioni Lab once to select and right-click. Click Copy. Open Explorer and find Blender. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in local directory. Double-click Program Files. Double-click Blender Foundation. Double-click Blender. Double-click 2.79. Double-click Scripts. Click Add-ons folder once to select and right-click. Click to paste. Now Manuel Bastioni Lab is added. Let's double-click Add-ons folder to verify. Scroll down. There it is. Now you have verified that Manuel Bastioni Lab is added. Open the Vroid homepage. Scroll down to see a download button. Click the button to see the download page. Scroll down the page. There is a Windows version and a Mac version, so select the appropriate version. Once the download is finished, return to the desktop. Open the Explorer. Search for the downloaded file. It is usually in your download directory. Click the downloaded file once to select it. Right-click and decompress it to the top page. Once it is decompressed, return to the top page to check it. It's here. We can see that Vroid has been added. Open Make Human website and click Download. Scroll down and click Download Blender tool. We are going to download the two in red. First, we download Make Human add-on. Click Make Human plugins. Click Save to download. Once download is completed, go back to the desktop. Open Explorer and look for downloaded Make Human add-on. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in the download directory. Click Make Human add-on once to select, then right-click. Click to decompress to desktop. Once decompression is completed, go back to desktop. Click Make Human add-on once to select, then right-click. Click to copy. Open Explorer and look for downloaded Make Human add-on. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in the document directory. There may be two Make Human, one with version name and one without. Double-click Make Human with version name to open. Click Blender Tools on the top once to select, then right-click. Click to paste. Start Make Human and verify. Click Files and then Export. Make Human Exchange should be added. Open Make Human website and click Download. Scroll down and click Download Blender tool. Click Blender Plugins. Click Save to download. Once download is completed, go back to the desktop. Open Explorer and look for downloaded Blender add-on. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in the download directory. Click Blender add-on once to select, then right-click. Click to decompress to desktop. Once decompression is completed, go back to desktop. Click Blender add-on once to select, then right-click. Click to copy. Open Explorer and look for Blender. Though it may differ by cases, often it's in the local directory. Double-click Program Files. Double-click Blender Foundation. Double-click Blender. Double-click 2.79. Double-click Scripts. Click Add-on folder once to select, then right-click. Click to paste. Now Blender add-on is added. Let's double-click Add-on folder to verify. Here it is. Now we verified Blender add-on is added. Double-click Downloaded Make Human to open. Double-click the Blender tools on the top. Put the cursor on the Make Walk folder and right-click. Copy by clicking Copy. Then go to the place where the Blender is saved. Though it may vary for each case, often it's in the local disk. Double-click the program files. Double-click the Blender Foundation. Double-click the Blender. Double-click 2.79. Double-click the scripts. Click Add-on folder once to select, then right-click. Click Paste to paste. Now Make Walk is added. Double-click Add-on folder to open and verify if it's added. Scroll down. And there it is. So now you are sure Make Walk is added. Next, add Target Rig file. Double-click Pastel Action folder. Double-click TRG file for Make Walk folder. Click Pastel Action TRG file once to select. Right-click to select Copy. Now open Add-on folder of MakeWalk. Go back with Back function. Double-click MakeWalk folder. Click Target Rigs folder once to select. Select Paste to paste. Double-click Target Rigs folder to verify. Here it is. Now we verified that target rig is added. Open the KneeMate homepage. Click on the Download tab. They offer a Mac version and a Windows version, so select the appropriate version. Click on Save to download. Once the download is finished, return to desktop. Open Explorer and search for the file that has been downloaded. It is most likely in your download directory. Click the file only once to select it and then right-click. Decompress the file to the desktop. Once the file has been decompressed, return to desktop. We can see that KneeMate has been added. Next, we'll add the KneeMate Tools add-on. Open the KneeMate homepage. Click on the Download tab. If you scroll down, you can see KneeMate Tools for Blender. Click and select Save to download. Once the download is finished, return to the desktop. Open Explorer. The download file is most likely in your download directory. Click on KneeMate Tools once to select it. Right-click and select Copy. Next, search for Blender. It is usually in your local directory. Double-click on Program Files. Double-click on Blender Foundation. Double-click on Blender. Double-click on 2.79. Double-click on Scripts. Click on Add-ons once to select it and right-click. Select Paste to paste the file. Double-click on the add-on folder to see if it has been pasted successfully. Scroll down. Here it is. This proves that KneeMate tools have been added successfully. Open the download page for VRM Importer. If you can't find the download page, use this address as a reference. Select Clone or Download on the download page. Select Save to download. Once the download is finished, return to desktop. Open Explorer. Search for the downloaded file. It should be in your download directory. Click the file only once to select it. Right-click and select Copy. Next, search for Blender. It is usually in your local directory. Double-click on Program Files. Double-click on Blender Foundation. Double-click on Blender. Double-click on 2.79. Double-click on Scripts. Click on Add-ons once to select it and then right-click. Select Paste. Open the Add-ons folder to check that it has been pasted successfully. Scroll down. Here it is. We can see that the VRM importer has been added successfully. Open Blender. Open User Preferences from the Editor selector on the bottom left. Click Add-on tab. Activate all supported level boxes on the left side. Here, the testing box is not activated, so click while pressing Shift key. Next, we look for the add-ons. Since there are a lot of add-ons, we use Search window. First, look for Make Human Exchange and Make Walk. Put MAKE in the search box just above the supported level. Now we've found Make Human Exchange and Make Walk. Check the left box of the add-on names. Now search for Manuel Bastioni Lab. Erase the text in the search box and put MANU. Now we've found Manuel Bastioni Lab. Check the box. Next, search for Pastel Action. Erase the text in the search box and put PAS. Now we've found Pastel Action. Check the box. Next, search for Nimate Tools. Delete the characters in the search window and insert N-I space M-A. Here is Nimate Tools. Add a check to the checkbox. Next, search for the BVH importer. Delete the characters from the search window and enter BVH. Here is the BVH importer. Add a check to the checkbox. Next, search for the VRML importer. Delete the characters in the search window and enter V, R, and M. Multiple add-ons have been found. Add a check to the VRM importer checkbox. Now add-ons are activated. Next, we will set language. Click on the System tab. Check the box of International Fonts at the bottom. 3 new buttons will appear. Press these 3 buttons to activate. Press Interface, Tooltips, and New Data. Finally, press Save User Settings at the bottom left to save settings. Now language setting is activated. This is all for the explanation of preparation. Thank you for watching.